At Wihebrink Landscape Management, it's not what we do, it's why and how we do it. Our clients want their time back and their properties to look their best. We answer the phone, show up on time, and provide the highest level of customer service, communication, and quality of services. We make quality landscaping services convenient, from our dedicated sales team to providing administrative support for our valued clients. Once you call our office, your problems start to go away, freeing up time to spend with your family. It's not just our full-service offerings that set us apart, though. As a locally owned and operated business, our core values of growth, adaptability, and teamwork motivate everything we do. We ensure that every property is treated with care and every job is completed with efficiency and excellence. And if something isn't perfect, we'll come back and make it right, because your satisfaction is our priority.
We interviewed a number of different people to come out and look at a patio, but no one came in with the creativity that WLM did. At least our experience with them is more of, dealing with an artisan who's coming to build something really beautiful for you.
At WLM, each client is more than just another job to us. We are excited to help create a dream outdoor living space for you and your family, or help maintain your property so you can have your time back. Contact Wihebrink Landscape Management today to start making your life a little more convenient.